Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how you can fix out of the video memory trying to allocate a texture. And guys, fixing this problem is way more simpler than you think and you just need to follow the steps. Go to the Windows search tab at the control panel and open it. And set the view bar to the large icons. And here you will see the system settings, click on the system. Now guys, from here you will see the view advanced system settings or the advanced system settings. Just click on that. So now guys, we are going to increase our video memory. So if you don't find the view advanced system settings on the system settings, so you can go to the Windows tab page, the view advanced system settings and open it. And here in the advanced tab, you will see the performance, click on the settings. Go to the advanced tab on the second, in the programs, click on the change option you are seeing. Once you click on that, now here you can simply select the local disk C and just uncheck this box of the automatically manage page file size and just click on the custom size, and then you can simply open up the calculator. We are going to calculate the virtual memory which we are going to allocate in the initial size. If you have the 8 GB of RAM, then you can multiply it with the constant value, which is the 1024. Then click on the equal, then you can type this value in the initial size. Here you can see I have already typed, and you can multiply it with the 3 and just type this value in the maximum size. So guys, basically this will increase your video memory and this will fix your problem definitely. If you have the 16 GB of RAM, then you can multiply it with the 1024 and just type this in the initial size and multiply it with the 3, then you can type this value in the maximum size. If you have the 4 GB of RAM, then you can simply do the same steps. Click on the set option, click on the OK, then you can simply restart your PC. After the restart, your problem is fixed. This is exactly what you need to do to fix this problem. And if your problem is fixed, please don't forget to like this video because this is only motivation for me, and I will see you guys in the next video.